Next one here. Remember we were talking about those tiny little apartments in Hong Kong? For some reason, I feel like I like this better.
Okay.
This is called Nestron, and it is a tiny little AI-driven cube, and it looks sort of like an RV. It's a futuristic mini home. This is one way to do it if you got to live small. Okay. It's very smart. It's got all kinds of smart appliances and smart features. You can pre-order it right now for $52,000. I think that's less than the houses you're trying to buy.
Yeah, I'm looking for a house already. Might as well get two and then just
get a plot of land. Now, that's only 263 square feet, but somehow it feels nicer than that other tiny apartment we were looking at. If you scroll down to the images, I don't know why it feels nicer. Probably the glass on there, the futuristic aspect of it. The entire structure is 8 meters long and 3.6 meters wide, but, you know, it's kind of like an RV. Yeah. But I don't believe it rolls around or anything. I don't think you could pack a whole family in there. They say you can, but to me, this looks more like a single or couple thing to take advantage of the tiny home movement. You can actually order one of these things from Singapore. They'll ship it to you. That will cost you a few more dollars, obviously. $52,000 to start. If you want to ship it to the U.S., that'll be $8,000 bucks. But again, still, well, I think it's cheaper than the houses you're looking at.